Hello Macro Hard community, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about a financial derivative which is only available in crypto. It goes by the name of perpetual futures or perpetual derivatives or just perpetuals or sometimes perps. Some of the decentralized platforms where you can trade such derivatives include DYDX and synthetics. So perpetual derivatives allow you to do margin trading, which means that if you have just $1,000, then you can trade 10 Ethereum assuming that price of 1 Ethereum is $1,000. This gives you a leverage of 10x in this example. But today in this video, we want to investigate how actually perpetual derivatives work. So in order to understand this, let's start with the two main players in the market. A long investor who is also a buyer and a short investor who is also the seller. Now we'll see what exactly they buy and sell. Also, we assume that there is an underlying platform. So suppose a long investor comes with $1,000 and suppose the price of Ethereum right now is $1,000 and he wants a leverage of 10x. So first of all, he will deposit his $1,000 to the platform, and this $1,000 is known as margin, and we'll see why. Now, the platform lends this user 10,000 synthetic dollars, and this long investor buys 10 synthetic Ethereum with these 10,000 synthetic dollars. Now, synthetic means that these Ethereums and dollars are not actual Ethereums and actual dollars. It's just a derivative which represents Ethereum and dollar. Now suppose that the price of Ethereum goes from $1,000 to $900. As we'll see in the later part of the video, in such a scenario, the price of synthetic Ethereum will also drop from $1,000 to 900 synthetic dollars. Since the long investor had taken a loan of 10,000 synthetic dollars from the platform, so he has to return that money back. But right now, all he has is 10 synthetic Ethereum, which is worth $9,000. So therefore, he has to sell his synthetic Ethereum for 9,000 synthetic dollars, and along with his $1,000 that he initially deposited to the platform, he will have $10,000, which is a mixture of real and synthetic. And now this user will pay back this amount back to the platform. Similarly, if the price of Ethereum goes from $1,000 to $1,100, then the total value with the long investor is 11,000 synthetic dollars. Now, the long investor can pay back the 10,000 synthetic dollars back to the platform, and he is left with his initial 1,000 margin and 1,000 synthetic dollars. Now, he can redeem these synthetic dollars for real dollars, and he ends up making 100% on his real investment. But wait, at the end, the long investor got real $1,000, but all he was doing was trading synthetic Ethereum with synthetic dollars. So how did he get real money out of this? Now, this question will be solved in the next part of the video. Now comes the short investor, and he does the same thing. He deposits his 1,000 real dollars as margin, and the platform lends him 10 synthetic Ethereum, which this guy sells for 10,000 synthetic dollars. Now, the short investor expects the price of Ethereum to reduce in future. So let's see what happens in the two scenarios. If the price of Ethereum increases to $1,100, then the short seller has to buy back his initial 10 synthetic Ethereums. But all he has is 10,000 synthetic dollars. Now he has to use his $1,000 which was kept as margin, and with his $1,100 he will buy back his 10 synthetic Ethereum and then give this back to the platform. So therefore he ends up losing 1,000 real dollars. But do you remember that in this case, when the price increased, the long investor had made 1,000 real dollars? So this is how the long investor is making real money, because someone who was short on Ethereum lost $1,000. Similarly, if the price of Ethereum reduces from $1,000 to $900, then the short investor will buy back 10 synthetic Ethereums for just 900 synthetic dollars a piece, and he will return back the 10 synthetic Ethereums to the platform, and he will be left with 1000 real dollars, which was kept as margin, and 1000 synthetic dollars, which is now his profit. So therefore he again makes 100% profit on his investment. Now the real money that he is actually making out of this is being paid by someone who was long on Ethereum. So therefore we can see that when price reduces, then the longs pay the shorts, and when the price increases, then the shorts pay the longs. But there is one question that is still unanswered, which is, what guarantees that the price of synthetic Ethereum with respect to synthetic dollars will be same as that of real Ethereum with respect to dollars? So in order to ensure that, there is something called a funding rate, which acts as an interest rate. Suppose that the real price of Ethereum is $1,000. However, the price of synthetic Ethereum is $1,100. In such a scenario, money will be deducted at a constant rate from the accounts of long investors, and they will start being deposited in the accounts of the short investors. So this forces the long investors to sell their synthetic Ethereum, or it incentivizes the short investor to take short positions by selling synthetic Ethereum. So in each of these cases, someone is selling synthetic Ethereum, which reduces the price of synthetic Ethereum until this price matches the current price. So this is in a nutshell how perpetual derivatives or perpetual futures work. So let me know in the comments, how did you find this video? If you enjoyed this video, then press the like button, and if you're new to this community, then press the subscribe button and become part of Macro Hard, where we are building the next economy. So see you all tomorrow, and until then, bye bye.